Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear audience, in this video, 50 Teachers Day quotes. First, inspirational quotes. Number 1. Teachers are the guardians of our future. Number 2. The teachers who inspires is the one who cares. Number 3. Education is the most powerful weapon. Number 4. Teaching is the profession that creates all other professions. Number 5. A great teacher is a forever gift. Number 6. A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. Number 7. Teaching is not a profession, it's a passion. Number 8. Teachers plant seed of knowledge that grow forever. Number 9. The best teachers are those who showed you were to look but don't tell you what to see. Number 10. Teachers are the architect of our future. Appreciation quotes. Number 1. Thank you for being a teacher, a mentor and a friend. Number 2. You have taught me more than just academics. You have taught me life. Number 3. Your guidance has been invaluable. Your impact immeasurable. We appreciate all that you do. You are truly appreciated. You are the reason we love learning. Thank you for helping me grow. You are not just a teacher, you are a mentor. We appreciate your patience, kindness and guidance. You have made learning fun and exciting. Your dedication is truly inspiring. Motivational quotes. Number 1. Believe in yourself and you shall be unstoppable. Number 2. Learning is a lifelong journey. Number 3. Teachers empower students to reach their full potential. Number 4. Education is the key to success. Number 5. Teaching is the art of inspiring. Number 6. Education is the key to unlocking the potential of our future. Number 7. Teaching is the profession that teaches all other professions. Number 8. The art of teaching is the art of assisting discovery. Number 9. Teachers who inspire are those who care. Number 10. Learning is a treasure that will follow you everywhere. Heartfelt quotes. You have been more than just a teacher. You have been a role model. Number 2. Your influence has shaped me into the person I am today. Number 3. I am grateful for the lessons you have taught me both in and out of the classroom. Number 4. You have made a lasting impact on my life. Thank you. Number 5. Your teaching has been a gift. Your legacy priceless. Number 6. You have changed my life forever. Number 7. I am grateful for your wisdom and guidance. Number 8. You are more than just a teacher. You are a friend. Number 9. Your teaching has been a blessing. Number 10. Thank you for believing in me. Funny quotes. Number 1. Teachers are like coffee. They keep us awake and alert. Number 2. You have survived another year of teaching. Congratulations. Number 3. Teaching is like parenting but without the sleepless nights. Number 4. You are the reason we love homework. Just kidding. Thanks for putting up with us. We know it's not easy. Number 6. You are the best teacher ever. Number 7. I love your class. Number 8. Thank you for making learning fun. Number 9. You are so kind and helpful. Number 10. I shall never forget you. Quotes for retired teachers. Number 1. Your legacy lives on through your students. Number 2. Thank you for a lifetime of teaching and mentoring. Number 3. You have earned your rest, but your impact remains. Number 4, your dedication will never be forgotten. Number 5, enjoy your retirement. You have earned it. Thank you. डियर ऑडियंस, अगर आपको ये क्वेट्स पसंद आया हो तो हमारी वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। शुक्रिया। अल्लाह हाफिज।